Welcome to 1 Minute Travel and Hospitality News. Kochi hotels likely to hike room rents to meet increased costs. Akasa Air to launch on August 7th on the Mumbai-Ahmedabad route. Air ticket sales begin. Tourism back on track in Sikkim since lifting of COVID-19 restrictions. Over 7,000 pilgrims leave for Amarnath Cave Shrine from Jammu. Over half return due to highway closure. Konkan to get new Ropax vessel that will cruise from Mumbai to Kashid and Dikhi. Azerbaijan Airlines to start flights to Baku from New Delhi in August. Thai Vietjet to launch Ahmedabad-Bangkok flight service. Grow your travel business with TravServer. Thanks for watching 1 Minute Travel and Hospitality News. Use your full potential to develop and grow your travel business with TravServer CRM. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to stay updated with TravServer.